to start being a crypto investor in the year 2023. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down for you 4 simple steps to be able to have that knowledge and skill set before you throw your money in this space, because the last thing you want to do is lose more money in this very volatile space. If you are new to this channel, basically my name is Mimi and I have a Cryptologicals Academy where I teach people to mitigate their risks and understand fundamental aspect, a little bit of technical aspect as well before coming in as a full-time crypto investor. Okay, first thing first, how get filthy rich by coming into the crypto space. Well, me myself has experienced that bullishness in the year 2020 to 2021 period, because I was a heavy long-term investor in the year 2018 to 2019 onward. I have gone through the phase of losing a lot of money in the space and also gaining a lot of money in the space as well. One of the great coins that I have been talking and have been sharing during my webinars is that I have made a lot of money in the coin called Chainlink. When I started this journey of cryptocurrency, I bought it at 70 cents and then it went all-time high to $27. That's when I see my first capital gain, and I was so amazed by investing my money. However, that might not be the case in the long-term run, because I also lose my money, and we are talking about huge sums of money. Cryptocurrency is a high risk and high return commodities. So basically, why people think that cryptocurrency is an easy place to get rich faster is because the entry barrier versus other commodities or other securities is much lower back then. However, if you talk about in the year of 2023, I don't think low entry as compared to the year that I came in last time. Secondly, why I think a lot of people think cryptocurrency is an easy way to earn faster is because the pumpimentals, the pump up the jam, pump it up factor of gaining that capital gain is much in terms of timeline is much faster as compared to other commodities as well. You have to see during good condition of the market and not so good condition of the market. Good condition is where in the finance term we call it the bull period. Not so good period, we call it the bear market. First of all, you have to understand fundamentals. Now, what do I mean by fundamentals? Fundamentals got a lot to do with researching tokenomics, crypto analysis, and doing a lot of notification to know the ins and outs on the space. So that is what we mean by FA, fundamental analysis in cryptocurrency. The next thing that you need to understand before being a crypto investor is that you need to understand what it takes to be in a financial market. A lot of time when people want to come into the crypto space, right, and a lot of the crypto investor in the year 2021 when the bull market was at an all-time high for the crypto space, I noticed that a lot of time these people do not understand financial market so much. They come into the picture because their friends say buy this coin, or their neighbors say buy this coin, or their sister are making money out of this NFT or these crypto coins that they 10x or 8x, that's why they buy this coin without knowing anything what the hell they are buying. So, in order for you to be a long-term crypto investor, I feel that you need to have a sizable amount of knowledge on the financial market itself. Okay, not just financial market. You need to understand and be exposed that there is other kind of financial market assets out there beside cryptocurrency. Other than cryptocurrency, the one most popular that people also make a lot of money from is actually stocks market. A lot of time, stock market is correlated to crypto market itself, because as a commodities cryptocurrency, if you take the whole market cap of cryptocurrency right now, it is less than 1 trillion. In the story of other financial market such as forex, such as ETFs, such as bonds, real estate, even a little bit of the impact of what all these other financial assets have done to impact the demand and supply of the economy. And then after that, when you learn a little bit of the FA part of cryptocurrency, you can actually put the pieces together. So if you don't understand a little bit about the financial market on stocks, you kind of missing some part of the jigsaw puzzle with regards to why certain fundamentals are not happening in the crypto space. Number 3 is for you to understand the on and off ramps of cryptocurrency. Now, when we talk about crypto on ramps, we are talking about you using a fiat currency to buy from centralized exchange. Meaning, you are using your dollar or the money that you are residing right now, okay, fiat currency, in exchange to cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange platform. Centralized exchange have a few platforms that it differs country to country of the regulation policy. So example are Binance, Crypto.com, KuCoin, tokenized exchange, and a few lot of others. So the next thing is off-ramp. So how do I change my crypto profit? So you bought some cryptocurrency already. So now the next question is, how do I exchange back to normal currency, which is my fiat currency, so that I can use it on a normal transaction, or I just want to see it in my bank account. So this is called off-ramp services. Fourth thing that you need to understand, where to store my crypto coin. Most of the time, people actually know how to buy, but they don't know where to store. Two main accounts: your private wallet or your centralized exchange. I highly recommend, as a long-term crypto investor, you should be investing your time to actually put and shift your money to private wallets. So there's two main things that you need to know. Storing on a centralized exchange is the very easiest way to do it, because once you buy from an exchange, you put the trust on that platform to actually keep that funds for you. However, if you do a little bit 2 steps further, you cashing out from the centralized exchange and moving it into your private wallets, so that you take accountable of the assets that you buy. Okay, however, there's pros and cons in using private wallets. First of all, you need to also be mindful to keep I would say a set of phrases or words, which we call it seed phrase. Okay, it's like a kind of password, but there is a bunch of words that you need to keep. So most highly recommended is that you don't store all this seed phrase on digitally, meaning you don't store it on your iCloud, you don't store it on your G Drive. Write it on a piece of paper, or the best, you get a hardware wallet where it is like a form of time drive, and then you allocate from centralized exchange address to that hardware wallets. So be safe, people. Know the difference between putting your funds in a hardware wallet, okay, or a private wallet, versus putting in the funds on the centralized wallets. Okay, because sometimes people get confused when they see the word wallets on centralized exchange. They thought they already put on private wallet. That's all for today's video. 4 simple steps to be a crypto investor in 2023 is, first of all, understand fundamentals of cryptocurrency. Second is understanding financial markets and be aware of other assets that can impact the whole economic system. Thirdly, understand the on-ramps and off-ramp transaction. And last but not least, how to store your cryptocurrency, private wallets or centralized exchange. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this piece of content that I just break down to you is enough to equip you to be a newbie crypto investor in the year 2023. I hope to serve you more in my future videos. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow Cryptologicals.